Hi, my name is Samruddhi Gaikwad, a second-year PGDM Finance student of Imperial School of Banking and Management Studies. I am here to share a small but very special part of my journey today with you all. If someone told me 2 years ago that a BA student from completely non-commerce, non-finance background would secure an audit assurance role in a global firm like EisnerAmper, I would have not believed it. And this is my journey. When I joined Imperial School of Banking and Management Studies with zero knowledge of finance, I didn't understand accounting terms, balance sheet, journal entries, or even basic financial vocabulary. I struggled to understand every new concept, but instead of getting overwhelmed, I chose to keep pushing forward day after day. My college played a major role in transforming me. Instead of just teaching us theory, they exposed us real industry subject specializations like investment banking and derivatives, audit, financial reporting, investment research, financial modeling and valuation. Each of these subjects added a new layer of confidence, clarity and technical strength which slowly built my foundation in finance. Beyond academics, our college gave us real corporate exposure through expert sessions and industry speaker series. Professionals from finance world shared their journey, their failures, their real-life challenges. Hearing them helped me understand what truly matters in the corporate world: clarity, discipline, and the courage to grow. But my journey wasn't only about classrooms and textbooks. Cultural events like Vibranza played a huge role in shaping me. Being on stage, interacting with audience, and working with different teams helped me build communication skills, confidence, and presence, qualities that matters just as much as technical knowledge. If there was one person I want to thank from bottom of my heart, it is my accounts professor, Vishakha ma'am. She taught accounts so simply and practically that student like me with no background was able to understand, apply and grow. I also want to express my sincere gratitude to our chairman Surya sir, our director Anuja ma'am for creating such a supportive, industry-focused learning ecosystem. Their vision shaped the environment that helped students like me to dream bigger and achieve more in life. Today, I proudly say a girl from non-commerce, non-finance background has secured a position in audit assurance role at EisnerAmper. Your background does not decide your future, but your environment, your mentor, and your willingness to learn decides it.